Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cleaning Hero Squad. Today, we're about to take on one of the most intense cleaning missions we've ever faced. This isn't just any mess. It's a complete disaster zone. Imagine walking into a house so cluttered, so chaotic, that every step feels like a journey into the unknown. There's junk piled high, dust coating every surface, and the smell. Well, let's just say it's something you can't forget. The homeowner reached out, admitting they'd been too overwhelmed, even too embarrassed to clean. So here we are, ready to bring this place back to life. As soon as we enter, the smell hits us like a wall. There's a stale, musty odor that feels like it's been festering here for years. Every room in this house has a different layer of chaos. In the kitchen, we find a sink overflowing with dirty dishes and food scraps so old they're almost unrecognizable. The counters? Completely covered with piles of dishes, trash, and, believe it or not, sticky, unidentifiable substances. Now, I want you to picture the homeowner's situation. Imagine feeling so defeated by the mess around you that it becomes impossible to start. The more clutter builds up, the harder it feels to make a dent. It's not just a physical mess. It's a mental and emotional burden that weighs heavily on anyone in this situation. We're here not just to clean, but to lift that weight, to help them see a way forward and give them hope for a fresh start. As we step into the kitchen, an overpowering stench fills the air, thick and almost suffocating. The smell of stale, burnt grease clings to everything, mingling with a sour, musty odor that seems to ooze from every surface. It's as if the air itself is saturated with years of cooking residue, dense, rancid, and heavy. The walls and cabinets, once bright, are now shadowed with dark, greasy stains that have hardened over time, leaving behind a slick, sticky film. As we step into the room, we are immediately engulfed by an overwhelming sense of chaos. The floor is a sea of cardboard boxes, stacked haphazardly and spilling their contents in a frantic disarray. Old shipping boxes are teetering on the brink of collapse, while crumpled papers and forgotten trinkets are scattered everywhere, creating an obstacle course that demands careful navigation. It's a jarring sight, one that evokes a deep sense of sadness, as if the room is pleading for attention and a chance to reclaim its purpose. The once inviting walls are now suffocated by a towering mountain of clutter, where glimpses of the original paint color peek through like shy memories yearning to be seen. Each box holds its own forgotten stories, wrinkled magazines, tangled cables, and remnants of a life once lived, all entangled in a frustrating mess. The air feels heavy with the weight of neglect, and it's hard to shake the feeling that the room itself is struggling to breathe beneath this avalanche of disorganization. Picture this. You step into your bathroom and instead of being greeted by lingering odors and unsightly grime, keeping this vital space clean isn't merely about aesthetics, it's a crucial investment in your health and well-being. When we make a habit of regular cleaning, we significantly reduce the risk of harmful bacteria, mold, and allergens that can thrive in damp, neglected corners. A dirty bathroom can lead to a host of health issues, from skin irritations to respiratory problems, quietly compromising our comfort and safety. A clean bathroom is not just a luxury, it's a necessity, a foundation for a healthier, happier life. Embrace the power of a tidy space and feel the difference it makes for your mind and body. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. We hope this cleanup brings them the peace and motivation they need to keep moving forward. Remember, if you or someone you know is feeling overwhelmed by clutter, you're not alone. Sometimes it takes a little help to make a fresh start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Cleaning Hero Squad, where we continue to tackle the dirtiest homes and turn chaos into comfort. Until then, keep things fresh and stay motivated. See you soon.